Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing out the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. Now I asked you guys on Instagram what type of video you would like me to film with this palette, and the majority of you said that you wanted a 3 looks 1 palette, so that's what we'll be doing today. So if you want to see what looks I come up with, then just keep on watching. First things first, let's take this baby out of the packaging and I'll show you all the shades. Okay, so that is the packaging and it's got like a coffin design and it opens like blue blood, like blood sugar. And these are the shades. As you can see, there's a lot of blue shades and there's also some kind of like pinky, nudish, bronzy shades, and as well as some teal and mint shades. So I'm going to try and create some looks that aren't too similar to each other. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm gonna give it a go. Right, I'm just gonna jump straight in so that we don't end up having a 40-minute video for a palette tutorial. So yeah, I'm going to use my P. Louise base and I'm just going to apply that on the eyelid. After that, I'm going to take shade Celebrity Skin and I'm just going to pop that in my crease. Next I'm going to take shade Priceless. Why am I holding it like that? Next I'm taking shade Priceless, which is this light nude over here. And I'm just going to blend Celebrity Skin out with that shade. Okay, next I'm going to take shade Untouchable, which is this one over here. And I think I'm just gonna pop that in the crease as well. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing here, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna drag it down onto the eyelid a bit rather than in the crease. And then I think I'm gonna go back in with Celebrity Skin and darken up that crease again. Next I'm going to take Power and I'm just going to pop that in the outer corner of my eyes and kind of just darken up those corners. Okay, now I'm just going to take Celebrity Skin again and just go under my eye and blend that grey out. Next I'm going to take shade Cullinan and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. I think I'm actually going to take Crystal Flesh as well and just take that on my finger and just pop it on the eyelid here. Just kind of connect it with that little highlight in the corner of the eye. And now I'm going to apply eyeliner and I'm using this NYX Cosmetics Strictly Vinyl eyeliner, and this is in shade Dauntless. I think I might actually keep the eyeliner just along the lash line. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera and then I'll be back to show you the final look. Okay, so this is the first look that I have done with the Blue Blood palette. I think for such a colourful palette I managed to do a quite, I would say, toned down look, which I'm quite happy about. I actually really wanted to do something like this just to show that you can do it even though you have a palette with loads of bright colours. Right, I'm going to take some photos of this look and then we'll continue with the second one. Okay, so we're going to start doing the second look. First I'm going to apply eyeshadow base, and I'll be using this Sample Beauty Erase and Boost base, and this is in shade number 2. And again, applying it all over the eyelid and then blending out. First I'm going to take this shade here. This is called Flourishing and it is a beautiful turquoise, and I'm just going to pop that in my crease. Next I'm going in with Mint Tea and I'm just going to blend all of that out. Next I'm going to take shade Cremated and I'm going to darken up that crease with it. I'm just going to take shade Flourishing and kind of drag it out onto the eyelid. Now I'm just going to apply the same colours under my eye. Next up I'm going to take shade Entitled and I'm just going to pop that on the eyelid. I'm going to take a flat brush and a setting spray if I can find one. Here we go! Should I just do it with my fingers? I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Anyway, let's give this a go and see. Sometimes it is best to just use your fingers, but holy crap, that's beautiful. Ooh, how the fuck did that happen? That is beaut. Right, I'm gonna try and do a finger one on the other eye just to see how it applies compared to the brush. Holy shit. That goes on so smooth. Wow. Maybe I should use my finger for the other one. Hello. What's up? What? You gonna come and say hello? Oh, hello, baby. Hi. You're very quiet. Next up, I'm going to take shade Cullinan and just pop that in my inner corner. I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner. Next up is eyeliner, and I'll be using this NYX Cosmetics matte liquid eyeliner. Right, I'm going to finish off this look off camera and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the second look. I have to say that I am absolutely loving these turquoise colors. And now, if you know at least a little bit about me, I absolutely fucking love turquoise. It is my favorite color ever, and there's no way in hell that I wouldn't have loved any of the turquoise shades in this palette, but the fact that they're really good makes it even better. These were a dream to blend, and that shimmery shade is just yes. I mean, I feel like it doesn't look as good on camera as it does in real life. I just think that, yeah, can I just stop this video at 2 looks 1 palette, because I don't want to take this off. Right, so I'm going to hopefully be able to take some photos of this. Someone seems to have other plans in mind. And then I'll see you for the 3rd and final look. Alright, it is time for look number 3. My face has had enough of makeup and my eyes feel really sore, but we are doing this. First I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas. This is a full coverage eyeshadow base and it is in shade Halo. First I'll take shade Blue Blood and I'm just going to pop that in my crease. Next I'm taking shade Blue Monday and I'm also going to pop that in the crease and just darken it up. Now I'm just going to use the brush that I used the previous colour with and just blend this out. I'm just going to take Blue Monday and pop it under my eye as well. And then just taking Blue Blood and blending that out. I'm now going to take shade Undertaker and I'm just going to pop that in the outer corners and just darken everything up even more. Oh, my eyes are really watering! Alright, so my left eye, as you can see, has decided to stop cooperating and it started watering quite a lot. So I think I'm gonna leave it and see if, I don't know, it decides to cooperate a bit more. But I'm just gonna continue doing this eye and see how I get on, and then see if I can actually finish this look. Next I'm taking shade Deceased and I'm just going to pop that on my eyelid right in the middle. Now I'm taking that on my finger as it is a shimmery shade. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really nice. These shades are so gorgeous. After that I'm going to take shade Ocean Ice and I'm just going to take that on a eyebrow brush, so an angled brush, and spray it with some fixing spray and just kind of create a bit of an eyeliner situation with that eyeshadow. Now I'm taking shade Ice Stray and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. Okay, I'm now going to try and do this other eye if it cooperates. I'm not really sure what happens if it doesn't. So we shall see. So I actually ended up finishing the look because my eye was not cooperating whatsoever and it's still watering. Yeah, if you can see, let's just leave it hidden here under the hair. And I just wanted to get this look done quickly before my watering eyes would ruin it. But yeah, this is the third and final look. I really love that Ocean Eyes pigment. I think it's really amazing. And yeah, I just think the whole palette is really nice, and it's really pigmented and it's really easy to blend. I am definitely going to play with this palette again, so if you want to see more of my looks, follow me on Instagram. I shall put my name somewhere on this screen and in the description box below, so you can check it out. Let's be friends. Overall, I really enjoyed playing with this palette. I do really love blue, so I knew I was going to like it. And yeah, that's about it for today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these looks. Have you bought the palette? What are your opinions on it? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye! Okay, I feel like I'm gonna start crying now. Oh my god, look at that eye. Time to wash this off. Bye!